All right, Paul Davenport from Boast here, and I got Ariella. We're at the She Boot Camp, and you are from CoLab. Tell me a little bit about CoLab, She Boot, everything you're doing here.
Yeah, so CoLab is a collaboration platform for K-12 education. So we're supporting connecting teachers across schools to network and share resources together. And this is a big problem because teachers work in silos right now and they scrap together resources from online. They work mainly alone and they recreate work school over school. So we're changing that and we're connecting people in a professional way. And we are officially She Boot graduates. So we went through the program, which was fantastic, and we became more investment ready and financially focused. So the whole program from beginning to end was meeting with angel investors and VCs to get feedback, building our financial model, creating our data room, and it was a comprehensive training that I needed at the right time. And the network was exceptional, and meeting all the other founders and the co-founders of She Boot and all the angels that support it. It was a great opportunity.
That's what's so great about SAS North and events like these too, because you learn about the ecosystem and the support channels that are there for you.
Yeah.
So again, Boast, we're R&D tax credits, we're shred funding, check our blog, budget 2026 drop. But
Yes.
It's the ecosystem. It's the partners that can support you and actually give you the access to the resources.
Yeah.
Also, I want to dig a little bit more into what you guys are actually doing at CoLab. My sister's a teacher.
Okay. Well,
My aunt's a teacher. My grandfather was a superintendent.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
All of this is very pertinent. My eyes perked up while you were explaining all of this.
What are the challenges that you have seen or heard of? Because I'm sure there are many.
Honestly, it's the resource sharing. I feel like people work in silos. I don't want to speak on behalf of my sister, but depending on what system you're in, you don't really have access, and they kind of block off the access a little bit, at least in the States. That's what
No, it's the same everywhere, and it becomes really challenging. And so we're based in Toronto, but we're working across North America to solve this challenge. So I'd love to dig in more and figure out what schools and districts they work in, because the problems are really universal. It's teachers have some resources given to them from their district, but a lot of it's up to them to design and create. And I was a teacher myself, so I taught middle school for a decade, and I love the creative, but I love the creative component of building out resources, but I needed a network to make them better. I have great ideas, but I'm not getting feedback from other people, and I'm not seeing what's happening in other schools. So there's all these pockets of innovation, and we're not leveraging the network. So if you think of something like this, like a conference and an ability to connect a network, teachers get this one time a year maximum.
Yeah.
And as funding goes down in education and they're not allowed to leave the building, it's a real challenge to connect people for this type of opportunity. So what you do on LinkedIn and the way you connect with people in real life just doesn't exist for teachers, and it's creating a lot of compounding issues. So we're changing that.
I love it. And also, again, it's like gut check from your peers too, making sure that am I at the industry standard? We don't talk about K-12 that way, but I mean,
it is. There are quality curriculum is something you would be surprised is a new topic on the scene. It's as we continue to evolve with AI and we can build resources faster and we can do all these things we couldn't do before. Are we returning back to the bread and butter of education and making sure that we're teaching in a high quality way and we've got access to resources and expertise to guide us? And that's what people are trying to gain that network to do. So
I love it. And again, consensus around a quality standard, I think is really important.
Yes. And access to quality education for the students. When you think about it, it shouldn't matter what school you land in and what district you land in as to the quality of education you receive. And unfortunately, that's the reality we live in right now. So it's just a lottery. You live here, you may not get the same level of resources and opportunities. And we can change that just by leveraging the collective experience in education. So
yeah, and again, brilliant minds there who want to do better and want to do more. Yeah. And you're making that happen. I love to see it. Awesome. This has been a pleasure, Ariella.
You too.
I really appreciate
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care.